Thor, Odin's son, my heir, my firstborn, so long entrusted with the mighty hammer Mjolnir, forged in the heart of a dying star. Its power has no equal, as a weapon to destroy, or as a tool to build. It is a fit companion for a king. I have defended Asgard and the lives of the innocent across the Nine Realms from the time of the great beginning. The day has come. Do you swear to guard the Nine Realms?
I swear.
And do you swear to preserve the peace?
I swear.
Do you swear to cast aside all selfish ambition and to pledge yourself only to the good of the realm?
I swear!
And on this day, I, Odin Allfather, proclaim you